What is?
Bakso.
Hello semuanya, how everyone is doing today? Hope you are guys sound and safe. Thank you for so many comments on my previous videos and so many likes. I really appreciate every single comment in there and your ideas for what should I cook next. Today I would like to prepare bakso, so it's the Indonesian meatballs. I know you can guys do it with different things as well, not necessarily the beef, you can do it with fish and a few other things. And I know there is no definite recipe for this dish. Today will be my attempt at it. Hopefully it will be decent enough. Satya will be the one who's gonna try the dish today. So we will see how I'm gonna stand his criticism today. So I just hope for the good result. So wish me luck. I prepared ingredients already.
We have lemongrass, cinnamon stick, fresh ginger, garlic, shallot, and the bed chilies, bay leaf, cloves, and cardamom. Eggs, carrot, spring onion. And the meatballs I have prepared before. I've prepared 3 pots, one for noodles, one with stock, and one for the base. Let's start cooking. And the bakso is ready. I'm gonna ask Satya in a minute to try it, and we will see how that went. Wish me luck, guys.
Try now.
Yeah, try. You just woke up.
What is?
Bakso.
Never seen like this before, but probably dining style. Totally different, but it's nice. The noodles cook very good. Man. The meat really nice. In Indonesia, a bakso like meat. This one, the meatball. It's like we got like a fat around it.
So do you like the flavor?
Yeah, it's nice, but it's not the same like Indonesia at all. But it's nice.
I used the Indonesian recipe for that.
Sorry to say.
Well, looks like my sources were wrong then.
More like noodle meatball. It's not yellow. There is nobody have a yellow sauce in bakso in Indonesia except soto. So you probably confused bakso or soto.
The recipe was saying bakso.
A stupid recipe. It's raw. There's no bakso. No. Not with carrot. Not at all. No one eating carrot in Indonesia, probably. It's not kind of like our vegetable. Well, there is for vegetable, like for gado-gado, you can use carrot. So, for noodles, I'm not sure people are using carrot. Nice, thank you. The flavor is nice, but
It's not bakso.
no, sorry to say.
Oh, so this time it's a fail, guys. Looks like I need to revise my recipes. So if you know any good recipes for bakso, guys, please send it to me.
Overall, it's nice. I don't know what kind of food it is, but it's nice. If you say this about South Indonesia, no, because it's yellow. Yellow normally is gulai, not bakso. Bakso have a ketchup here as well. You put ketchup and chili. You put in chili. Yeah, noodles is alright, but sometimes you don't eat bakso with noodles as well. Also, yeah, sorry to say, but it's still nice and I want to eat now.
Okay, thanks.